Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Are you teacher or student of class 6 and above and interested in learning computational thinking and artificial intelligence through practical and engaging activity? Then CBSE in collaboration with IIT Gandhinagar has announced exciting online learning opportunity for you. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 5th August 2026 with the subject 3030 Eklavya Computational Thinking and Artificial Intelligence Online Series. So as you know, CBSE has launched Computational Thinking and AI for classes 3 to 8 with objective of creating AI literate learner. So in this field, CBSE is going to collaborate with IIT Gandhinagar and launching 3030 Eklavya Online Series from 15th August. So first, the target audience of this program, it's all the teacher and student of classes 6th and above. Then this program is completely on voluntary basis, means it's not compulsory, but whoever is interested in learning computational thinking and AI can participate. Then registration is free but compulsory for availing the program. You need to do registration, and this is the registration link. I'll show you this also how to register. Totally 8 session will be conducted and each session will be counted as 3 CPD hour per episode. So 8 into 3, totally it will be 24-hour CPD hour. And you will also get certificate. Live episode will be in Hindi language and will have English subtitle when published. So first episode will be released on 15th August 4 p.m. and other episode will be launched every Sunday 4 p.m. And this is the YouTube playlist, or you can watch the trailer here. They are going to conduct participation fees. If you want certificate for all 8 episode is only 200 rupees per tax, and it will be issued to those teacher who fulfill the prescribed norm. There's some norms also. If you complete all that, then only you are going to get the certificate. So now let's see how to participate in this. So for participation, you need to go on the official website, which is eklavya.iitgandhinagar.ac.in. So as you can see on the screen, it is CBSE and IIT Gandhinagar. Both logo are there because both are collaborating. And it is 3030 Eklavya, spicing up the curriculum, computational thinking and understanding AI, unplugged and experiential pedagogy. So if you scroll down here, this is the trailer of Eklavya. And this is not the first time it's done. This is the 5th session. Already previous year they had 3rd session and 4th session. And here, as already mentioned, there are totally 8 episode or 8 sessions are there. So as you can see, first episode will be on 15th August 4 p.m. Topic is computational thinking, AI and matchboxes. Then episode 2, everyday science for climate action on 23rd August. And as you can see, you just not only have to watch, you also are going to get homework also. Once you complete all the homework, then only you will receive the certificate. Then third episode is sunflower telling an irrational number on 30 August 4 p.m. Then 4th August, Volta to Hydrogen, a hands-on journey in electrochemistry on 6th September. Then string art, stitching and weaving on 13th September. Then fascinating world of seed and their germination on 20th September. And 7th episode, make your own computer on 27th September. And optical exploration with camera and microscope on 4th October. So this session will start on 15 and last is on 4th October. And you need to complete all the homework, then only you are going to get the certificate. So here it's again mentioned the benefit, or it's a CBSE and IIT Gandhinagar initiative. Then silent feature, that this program is for all the teachers, student, parents and STEM of all age. Teacher will get participation certificate and training certificate. student will get participation certificate and certificate of completion. Parents can also participate and get certificate. And this program is free to watch for anybody. So if you have not registered, you can register by clicking here. I will show you that as well. Now before that, let's see here. So for certification, you need to pay participation certificate for all module. You need to pay 200 rupees per tax, and participation certificate will be given separately for each episode. For each episode, you are going to get separate. Now for certificate of competency for whole course, you need to pay additional 200 rupees. So totally 400 rupees per tax. Then course completion certificate or certificate of competency will be given for whole Eklavya course at the end, but condition minimum 50% grade in evaluation, and it will consider as 25 hours of training. And CBSE notification or Gujarat notification, MP board notification, state boards notification, you can download it from here. IIT Gandhinagar has collaborated with all, not only with CBSE, like they have collaborated with MP, Gujarat, Assam, Goa, Haryana, Navodaya Vidyalaya and Daman. So now few FAQ is also here. So if you want, you can go through this FAQ. Now let's see how to do registration. So for registration, you need to come here, new user. So click on register. So here you need to fill your detail like your first name, last name, email ID, confirm email ID, mobile number, password, retype password, then agree, then I'm not a robot, and pay for 472 rupees for certificate and click it here. So, and you need to check also whether you want certificate. If yes, then only. Otherwise, like see, if I say no, I don't want certificate, amount automatically becomes 0. So if I want certificate, just check it here. It will give you both participation certificate as well as competency certificate. If I need only participation certificate, remove this, it will come to 236. I mean, if I need both certificate, it will be 472. And also you can agree for this to receive information SMS by IIT Gandhinagar. Then check this box also, otherwise don't. And this box you need to check I agree for all the term and condition for this program. So after filling all this, your registration is done. Then you just need to watch the video and complete all your homework and try to score more than 50% in evaluation. Then only you are going to get all this certificate. Now let's see few FAQ here. Who can attend Eklavya? So any teacher, student, parents, anyone who is interested, they can learn. Which certificate will be issued? So two certificates are there. Only participation certificate 200, participation certificate of competency it's 400. Then student will also be same, participation certificate 200, course completion certificate 400. Then is this program online or offline? So it's online on YouTube every Sunday at 4 p.m. I am registered for the program, but I forgot to pay. How can I pay? So in your dashboard, you have pay button. You can just pay if you have not already paid. And if you have any issue regarding registration, you can mail it at this email ID eklavya@iitgn.ac.in. I have paid for certificate by email ID is incorrect. So for that case also you need to mail it to this eklavya@iitgn.ac.in. And he is the organizer from IIT Gandhinagar, Professor Manish Jain. He is one of the top professor from IIT. So if you're a teacher or student interested in computational thinking, AI, this is an opportunity worth exploring. Don't forget to register through official program website. I'll provide the important link in description and pin comment. If you found this video useful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more updates related to CBSE, education, teacher training, etc. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, keep learning and stay updated.